What's happening, responsible day traders? I'm so excited. I got my pins out today. What is today? It's Wednesday, July 29th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I thought that getting my pins out meant I wasn't allowed to walk on it for 2 weeks. I'm allowed to walk on it. I just cannot walk on it without the boot on. So I need some extra protection. It's a beautiful day. It's pouring down rain. And it's a beautiful day. I'm already done with my trading. You want to check it out? You can see a little corner over here. Let's peep it. Pew, pew, pew. That's where we're at today. 19.75 points. I took a short. I tried to take another little short really quick after that. Didn't quite work out. Got back in to the upside. Got my points. And I'm done for the day. It's pulled back to this area. Probably gonna keep going to the push-up for a little bit longer, but you know what? I'm good. So my card for today, there is no traffic jam on the extra mile. And I'm holding it up because I do have this new little thing that came in because I have a little bit of an Amazon obsession lately. I have a new desk coming in and I wanted to have something cool to put on here. So I got this little board and I have a bunch of nice little sayings. But this one is, trust the magic of new beginnings. Okay, so new beginnings for me today means that after 6 long weeks, I get to walk on my foot. I'm not going to keep this going too long, so we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Don't forget, we got a couple more days left. What is today again? The 29th. So only a couple more days of that 30% lifetime discount. And don't forget, you can apply that to the 75 Freedom account. That 75 Freedom account, it'll calculate the drawdown of your closed trades. I know that is something unique to what we are doing here at You Profit Trader. Be sure you check it out. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. I hope you enjoy the video. If you got questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll catch y'all around. All right. A new edition of Wednesday, and this one is pin free. That was an interesting feeling. I'll talk to you more about it a little bit later. It's pulling down the bottom Bollinger Band. It does look like it's trying to make a move still to the upside, but it is in a major divergence right here, which could push us all the way back down here. So it might just be fighting to get up there. We'll have to see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is like it. Nice. I want to move it to break even so bad. I can't even begin to tell you. There we go. Now I can. If I look at this, it's in a beautiful spot for it to pull back into and tag it. Am I being patient or am I being, I don't want to use the word ignorant, but am I trying to ignore? Yeah. Just trying to ignore the fact that it's at a space that it's pulling back. And that's okay. I really want to give this an opportunity to the downside to keep pushing down to the 32.28 area. But I'm also looking at the strength still going up here on the 233 in the MACDs. I'm going to give it one opportunity. I ignoring this? Yes. Okay. I'm just going to have to take that one. I was hoping it would pull back in a little bit deeper. But we can see this starting to pop up. Okay, there, I'll have to take that a little bit. Perfection. Thank you, finally. Jeez Louise. It's like such a nightmare. Still, wow, look at that big bar. See what I said? And in honor of those big bars, let's wait till this, yes, take that one out. These are starting to push down with some strength. I'm hitting close. Okay. Just show you here, 35 minutes. I'm done for the day. Let's see what it did. Oh, come with me. Okay. Let's check it out. Wow. I'll take it. 5 trades, 19.75 points. I have half a mind to not trade the rest of the week, but I believe that's because I want to end with a good week. So I won't let that play in my head too much. I want to pull this off so it doesn't keep. I believe that's gonna do me. Today I got my new cards in, but this one says there's no traffic jam on the extra mile, and I got a new one that says trust the magic of new beginnings. New beginnings, new foot. That's gonna be it. So I'm now at 41 minutes. I have somebody coming over in just a little bit to celebrate with me that my foot is walkable. I'm excited. Well, go ahead and wrap that up. So FOMC is coming out in just a little bit, which means things are going to get a little crazy. So you want to be careful of that. That can really, act a little crazy, which may be why it's moving so slow right now. It's just like waiting for paint to dry. So, all right, speaking of waiting for paint to dry, it is raining like crazy. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. I hope everybody has a fabulous Wednesday. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.